Hi, I'm Susan McLennan from Babel on Communications, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about how to make a presentation to a focus group. The first thing you need to know is you need to know what problem you're trying to solve, and then you need to know what the information you need is to solve that problem, and then the third thing you need to know is who can help you get that information to solve that problem. You probably want to have about 4 or 5 questions, and you want to budget an hour and a half, 2 hours for it. So the first part of your actual focus group will be the welcoming part, and you want to make sure that people have name tags, that there are refreshments, that people feel really comfortable, and that they understand that their input is really valuable and important. You also want to give them an understanding of the time frame. By the time you actually get into your session, you want to make sure that there's a flip chart with markers, and either you or you can appoint somebody to record every idea, but you do want to make sure that pretty well every idea is recorded so everybody feels valued. If you have somebody who is shy, and chances are that you will, there are a couple of good tricks to pull them out, and one of them, the simplest one, is simply ask them, "Hey Joe, you've been a little quiet. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this." Learn to love silence. People will tell you more when there is silence. If you fill it in, you may lose really valuable information. So embrace silence, even though it may feel awkward. When it is time to close your event, make sure that people really understand that they have been thanked. Make sure that they understand their contribution and their time was well spent. And then take a moment for yourself to make your notes right then. It's going to be tempting to just get out, but right then, where everything is fresh, you want to make your notes right then so that your report is going to be a much more accurate reflection of what happened. I'm Susan McLennan from Babel on Communications. Thanks very much for watching.